Friends, let us look at the third chapter, and that is absorption of overheads. And let us look at what is absorption of overheads. This is a process of absorbing all overhead cost allocated to a particular cost center or particular department by the units produced. So that is called as absorbed. So we are absorbing that overhead cost for a particular department or particular cost center, and that is called as absorption of overheads. Now this particular chapter, you have this particular concept which is formula based, and then we have machine hour rate, one more big problem, and big problem solution aspect from that chapter. So these are the two main concepts which we are going to study under this absorption absorption of overheads. So let us look at some of the formulas for your understanding. So absorption rate in general is total overhead of department divided by total units produced. So, okay, so total overhead of department divided by total units produced is called as absorption rate. And then absorption of production overhead, so it is specifically given for production overhead. So production unit method, their absorption rate is total overheads divided by number of units produced. So production overheads. And then percentage of direct material cost method. So in this particular method, it is absorption rate is equal to total overheads divided by direct material cost, whatever is given, into 100%. 100 means it is percentage. So percentage of direct labor cost is also same, total overheads divided by the direct labor cost into 100. And similarly, percentage of prime cost is total overheads divided by prime cost into 100. And then direct labor hour method is total overheads divided by direct labor hours into 100. And then we have machine hour rate method. As I told you earlier, we are going to solve problem on this particular aspect. So here total overheads divided by number of machine hours into 100 is a total hour. Let us solve one 6-mark problem to understand and demonstrate how this particular problem can be solved through formulas. So secondary distribution summary of Mahavira Limited revealed the following. You have overheads given here, labor given here, and then machines given here for 3 departments. Calculate overhead absorption overhead rate based on labor hours and machine hours. So it is labor hours and machine hours. So dear students, so here it is straight away we have given for labor hour rate. So where total overheads divided by labor hours into 100 for percentage, or directly you can write for direct figure. So it is, see, now department A is there, department B is there, department C is there. You are just taking total overheads divided by labor hours, and you will get the answer for all the 3 departments. So it is very simple. 9,000 divided by 3,000, 12,000 divided by 6,000. So 6,000, 3,000 and this 15,000 denominator is labor hours, and then 9,000, 12,000 and 15,000 is overheads of 3 departments. So this is how we have to calculate labor hour method. And then we have machine hour rate method. Same way, it is total overheads divided by machine hours. So they have given here machine hours. So here we have machine hours. So it is, see, machine hours 9,000, 3,000, 5,000. So this is the case. See, machine hours. So here total hours divided by machine hour, 9,000 divided by 9,000, 12,000 divided by 3,000 and 15,000 divided by 5,000. So this is one problem. Similarly, there is one more problem with regard to this one. Absorption rate. The following figures have been extracted from the books of a company: 6,000, 1,500, 12,000. That is factory overheads, direct labor hours, machine hours. And then information is given for job number 1, labor cost, direct labor hours, machine hours. You are required to calculate factory overheads under two methods, that is labor hour and this one machine hour method, and also find out the factory cost of job number 101 in each case. So calculation of factory overhead under labor method. So two methods is, one is labor hours, one is machine hour method. So total overheads ಅಥವಾ total factory overheads ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. So factory overheads are given here, so directly you have to take factory overheads only. So factory overheads divided by labor hours and factory overheads divided by machine hours. So 6000 they have given and divided by, you will get the answer. And then job number this, so you have labor cost, direct labor cost, and then you have direct material cost is also given. So materials are there, labor cost is there, total of that is primary cost, so prime cost. So you have it here under direct labor method and direct machine hour method. So machine hours method, so we have first two remains the same, that is prime cost almost remains the same. So now we have to have factory overheads. So factory overheads under direct labor, you have, see here, it is 4, so 4 into the labor hours we have to look into. So 265 they have given, so 265 into 4, so that is what you have to write here. So 265 into 4, you will get the answer. You have to write it in direct labor method. And then for machine hours, you have 0.50, and they have given the machine hours as 250. So 250 into this you have to write. So this is how you get 1200, and you will get the total of it. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the problem of absorption of overheads. So here it is, he has solved it. So this is how he has not totaled it. So you please total it. So you have to total it and then write the answer. So 1850 and 1050 here, and 1850 and 1200. So total you have to write. So in this way we are going to solve absorption rate problem. So this is absorption rate. Today we have done with the absorption rate theory. I have explained to you how absorption rate is calculated. It is very simple. It is just a formula based aspect where we identify the particular overhead to a particular department or cost center, and then that is the concept of absorption rate. And then we solved two problems. Then we have understood the formulas. So formulas is very direct. So if it is direct material given, you have to take direct material. If it is labor given, labor, machine hours, labor hours. So like that you have to do here. So one problem we have solved first on machine hour and labor hours, and then one more two problems we have solved on absorption rate based on percentage. So here what we have done is, second problem we have done the total factory cost. So like this we are solving problem on absorption cost. Thank you very much.